going to be opening up mini brands, mini minis, fill the fridge. I'm so excited to be opening up these. So I have 2 of them, but I'm only going to open up 1 for this video. Where is the thing? There it is. Oh yes, that was perfect. See if I can do it again. Nope. Come on. There we go. Oh yes. I love it when it opens up perfect. Okay. Ready? Maybe this side. Okay, we got the checklist. Oh, we got a little pizza. Let's put it on my fridge. Oops, sorry. Got a cute little pizza slice. Oops, I keep blocking the thing. Okay. So now we're going to open up this first bag here. It feels big, so I think it's like it looks like it's a resin. Says cream glue. Oh my, it's a lot of goodies. Cream glue. I'm not sure, this is the top, it says. They both say top. And it comes with a little pan. I'm gonna open up this one. Oh, it's dirt. Okay, well, I'm not gonna do that yet, but here's the little instructions. Oh, it's a tiramisu. That's cool. Look at all the ones you can get. Kind of gives you a little bit of what you can do, different ones. Okay, that's our resin one. That's exciting. Oops, next one. Ooh, it looks like mustard. It is, isn't it? Oh, it's turmeric shot, so it's like a drink. Cute. And then next one is lamb chops. That's so cool. And oh, that's the resin stuff. I think this is, nope, a couple more bags left. Okay, hello. Oh, cheese slices. Craft singles. And then this bag. Oh, that one went flying. What is that? Oh, it's Worcestershire sauce. Cute. I'm not going to open that, I don't think. That's cool. And then the last one for this video is pizza. Oh, cool. Pizza Hut. Let's see. Oh my gosh. We got a cheese pizza. Cool. So if you like this video, make sure to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.